Hello, students. I'm here today to talk to you about Google applications. Google Apps are available to all students at Hack, and they can make organization of your files along with sharing your documents very easy. This is just a brief introduction video on Google Apps, and I encourage you to search on YouTube or other applications that you enjoy for more detailed videos on certain applications. So as you can see here, I'm in on the main page of My Hack for Students. You want to go up to the grade toolbar and click on Google Apps. Once you click on that, you'll see the Drive for Students, and that's where you can access all the Google applications and all your stored files once you start saving and creating them. There's several ways to access the Google applications, either the 9 little dots over here, which as you can see, you have access to numerous applications, or you can create new documents and access creation that way. For the sake of time, we're just really going to be focusing on the 3 main applications that you will use as a student in addition to your Gmail. Google Docs is an application similar to Microsoft Word in which you can compose papers and reports, and along with some other various features. Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel, and it is a database application. Google Slides is a presentation application similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's say that I'm creating a presentation for one of my business writing classes, and I have one or more partners and they need to work on the presentation with me. I can come over and I will want to create a new presentation. So I'm going to use Google Slides, create new. I'm going to come up with a title for my presentation. I'm going to label it time management. And as you can see, there's various themes that you can choose from. Then you can insert slides, insert new slide, and I'll just label this slide 3, even though it's not. And then new slide, I'll label that slide 2, even though it's not. And you'll see as classmates that you give access to start adding things into the document, if that's what you'd like them to do, it's okay if things get out of order, as you can just simply drag and drop. As you just saw, I dragged 2 up there and manipulate the document so that it's exactly the way you would like it. The nice thing about Google applications is they save to the cloud. There's no save button. As soon as you X out of the application, you'll see it saves under your recent documents, and you can see it, it's right there. And you can open it up and it's saved there. The way you share your document with other people, say you want to share it with a professor just for them to grade, or if you want to share it with a classmate for them to be working on the same document. There's a way to do both of those things. So you come up here to the share button and you can type in someone's email. And after you type in the email, it'll ask you if you want them to be able to comment on it, view it, or edit it. If you're just sending it to an instructor to grade, or you just sending it to someone to look at it and you don't want them to be able to change anything, you would just select the view option. You can also send people a link, and you can select again if you want them to be able to view it, comment on it, or edit it. For the sake of these purposes, I want my classmates to be able to edit slides, add slides, so I'm going to give access as editor. And then you could copy a link and you can send it to students in an email, via text message, however that's helpful. So you'll notice that link takes me right to this document. So as you can see, the Google applications are extremely beneficial for saving items so that you don't need to use up space on your computer, and it's saved to the cloud where you can access them anywhere from any computer as long as you have internet access. And it also allows document sharing to be made very, very simple. This was just a brief presentation, just giving you some background and some brief exposure to these applications, but I encourage you to take some time to explore them on your own. Thank you.